In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Selection tool in Photopea. By the end, you'll be able to quickly select a subject, refine the edges for a clean result, and export your image as a PNG. First, open your browser and head to photopea.com. This is a free web-based editor, so there's nothing to install. Once the workspace loads, click Open from Computer. Navigate to the image you want to edit and choose it. For best results, pick a photo where your subject stands out from the background. Strong contrast makes selections faster and cleaner. Look at the toolbar on the left and find the magic wand icon. Right-click that icon to reveal the related tools. From the menu, click Quick Selection. This tool lets you paint over areas to select them, detecting edges as you go. Up in the options bar, you can adjust the brush size. Use a larger brush for broad areas and a smaller one near details. Make sure you're on the Add mode so new strokes expand your selection. If it grabs too much, switch to Subtract mode to trim it back. Now click and drag over the part of the image you want to select, usually the subject. Work methodically. Start in the center, then move toward the edges. Zoom in around tricky areas like hair, fingers, or curved outlines. If Photopea selects too far into the background, undo and reduce the brush size, or subtract around the edges until it hugs the subject more tightly. When you're happy with the rough selection, click Refine Edge in the options bar. This is where you finesse the cutout. In the Refine panel, choose a view that helps you see the edges clearly. Increase the radius slightly to let Photopea detect fine details along the boundary. If edges look jagged, add a touch of smooth. A light feather softens transitions. Keep it subtle to avoid halos. Boost contrast to sharpen the boundary if it appears too soft. Shift edge inward a bit if the selection includes unwanted background, or outward if it's biting into your subject. Brush gently over hair, fur, or semi-transparent areas so the Refine algorithm can pick up wispy details. Once the edges look clean, click OK to apply the refinements. To save your result, go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG. PNG preserves transparency, which is ideal if you've isolated a subject or removed a background. In the export dialog, preview the image and leave other settings at their defaults unless you need specific changes. Finally, click Save and choose where to store your file. That's it, fast, accurate selections in Photopea using the Quick Selection tool and Refine Edge.